May I please all the professors and students on dais to discuss upon a topic called Future Scope and Realities of Business Management.
Plain marketing is not there. So plain vanilla ice cream is not there. आप टॉपिक्स खाते हैं उसको जाकर प्लेन वेनिला कोई खाता है आजकल क्या बहुत रेयर सेम थिंग इज हैपनिंग तो चीजें चेंज हुई हैं सो प्लीज गेट द सजेशन फ्रॉम द समबडी हु इज इनटू दिस इंडस्ट्री वेल एजुकेटेड प्लीज गाइड देम दैट अभी कैट मैट दे दिया हम लोगों ने जमशेदपुर से बाहर निकल के उनको एक इंस्टीट्यूशन ढूंढना है तो थोड़ा हेल्प कीजिए कैसे उसको और आगे क्या करना चाहिए
5 years from now what position what salary which company life does not work that way as I said earlier the world has taught us one thing which is only uncertainty
the means is two things there are two factors generally in our life right controllable and uncontrollable uncontrollable क्या है अभी आपने मैट कैट जैट जो होना है दे दिया है बहुत लोगों ने दे दिया है बहुत लोगों ने नहीं दिया है मिस हो गया कंट्रोलेबल अभी फैक्टर आपके हाथ में क्या है आफ्टर दिस इवेंट गो एंड डू रिसर्च नंबर 1 which area interests you पूरा आइडिया तो अब हो गया ना मैनेजमेंट में क्या क्या एरियाज यू वेंट टू ऑल द स्टॉप्स राइट identify that
Then somebody was asking me whether I am a BCom graduate and should I go for an MBA operations. That is something that you can take a call on later. Once you are done with your first year, you can always take a call on that. So for the time being, what is important is you need to do an assessment and what sir said, the SWOT analysis.
See what are your strengths and what are your weaknesses. List down on the paper and see how you can, one by one overcome them.
Concentrate and do your best for the exam. Apart from that, after that, till you join, I think you can relax because the next 2 years are going to again be hectic for you.
Pursue any other course or any other specialization or let's say knowledge to enhance your skills. So it's skill building which is required all the time for the management graduates or for any professional education pursuant. So this is something which is actually focused, vocational education is something which is focused in the NEP.
NEP, right.
So I would like to say that don't just think that CAT is the only aim for you. There are many exams that you can apply for. So prepare well for all the exams and see what the college is offering.
Right, so pupils management skills, right, and understanding and react or behave in a certain way. So these are the certain skill sets are in the future. Now the question is, these are big words that you are talking about, right? आप बहुत बड़े बात बोल रहे हो, but how do I acquire it, isn't it?
तू टॉस लेके डिसीजन लो नहीं वो नहीं करना है टॉस करना है बट टॉस का डिसीजन देख के डिसीजन नहीं लेना है
Human resource management and LR. In short, HRM and LR उसको बोला जाता है लेकिन उसको मास्टर्स ऑफ आर्ट्स भी बोला जाता है मतलब कॉलेज के हिसाब से उसको मास्टर ऑफ आर्ट्स बोला जाता है लेकिन कॉलेज के बाद उसको MBA भी बोला जाता है तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि ये HRM तो है ही लेकिन ये MBA है या फिर आर्ट्स है
overtaken UK to be the 5th largest economy next year we will overtake Germany to be the 4th largest 2 years from now we will overtake Japan to be the 3rd largest economy.
About specialization, I think a lot has been talked about, but there are few things that I must convey before we wind up the session. What is the purpose of life? Do you want to live the life for happiness or with misery? जिंदगी का पर्पस क्या है? जिंदगी को हैप्पीनेस के साथ जीना है ना? ये अल्टीमेट पर्पस यही है.
Say you should first clap for yourself.